Alrighty guys, I hope your day is going fantastic. I recently got this LED 3D iridescent infinity pyramid light. I think it looks pretty cool. I'm planning to put it on my table, possibly right next to my 3D printer, or maybe on the left side of my Legos, unfinished Legos. So let me open the box. I haven't seen what this looks like. If it's LED, I'm gonna have to charge it and wait, but I will do the unboxing and show you that. I know, I'm a doofus. Don't handle the knife the way I'm doing it. But I can open this box. Almost got it. I'll open the top. And this side. There we go. Of course, always close the knife. Wrapped in styrofoam. Oh, my bad. Oh, dude, that looks pretty darn cool. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This is cool. Just as I suspected. I am going to need to charge it. I'll make this like a 2-part video. I'll do the unboxing. Just a minute. What? No, I don't. So this video was the unboxing. Next video, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Unfortunately, it didn't look like the styrofoam helped it all too much. Has a few tears up here. That's okay. It says, remove this protective film before use. Wait, let's look at the... Yeah, I gotta keep the blue layer on. But take off these, I believe. So I'll plug it in, and I'll show you what it looks like finished. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright guys, I did some little tweaking with the infinity pyramid light. I found out on each of these outside layers, it has this protective film. So when it was peeling off, that wasn't part of it. It was just to protect it from scuffs and scratches. Now, from the box, I don't think this worked too well, because it did have a few scuffs on here already. But other than that, I would still consider buying it because it looks really cool. And now I use this LG adapter, and I plugged it into the wall and it works great. I think I would recommend an LG adapter. I think it works the best. Now I'll plug it in, test this bad boy out. First, oh yeah, there's a small turn on button right here. And then there's a light. If you look at it a different way, you get different rays of lights. And I think that's pretty cool. Now I'll show you what it looks like with the light turned off. Looks pretty sweet, huh? So I got this for about 20 bucks at Hobby Lobby. Wasn't too pricey. I think it's definitely worth the money if you want a little light to your table. It does only light up some areas and not the whole table, because it is a small light. But other than that, if you want to show pizzazz for your gaming setup or anything like that, I would seriously recommend buying it. So I will link the unboxing in this video, and I will in the unboxing video I will also link the testing, like the test out video. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.